Now it's time to put your plywood on the frame. We're going to be using 3/4 inch ton and groove plywood. And you're going to want to make sure that it starts and ends on the center of a joist. Your on-center spacing should have accommodated for this already. Make sure you won't end up with a very small cut that will only hold onto one joist. With fasteners, we use number 8 2-inch deck screws to fasten the plywood to the deck. You can use a screw gun with an extension to do it while standing up. You can also use a regular drill. To cut the last piece, install it on the deck. Then use a marker to follow the joist underneath and remove the piece and cut it with a circular saw. Then put it back and screw it on the deck. You can also use a tape measure and report the 2 dimensions on both sides of the panel to make your cut. You'll need either a chalk line or a ruler to trace the mark. A little trick to carry a sheet of plywood is to lift one corner and put your body in the middle of the panel with one hand at the bottom and one hand at the top and lift it. It should balance itself on your lower arm.